MTAshare is an online portal available to any institution that processes material transfer agreements. MTAshare provides a highly automated system to request an MTA, collect and review information, as well as generate and approve agreements. When researchers log in to the MTAshare portal, they will see all the MTAs in which they are either a provider or a recipient of a material transfer agreement. They can view all of the original answers, edit or delete any drafts, and download the signed MTAs from the executed agreements. If they want to initiate a new MTA, they can do so by clicking the Request a New MTA button. The survey wizard will collect some basic information and lead them to the appropriate survey questions. They can choose multiple material types, and the system will load the survey questions based on the most sensitive material type. First, they will need to choose the name of the other party in the agreement. The system will preload a list of organizations with their legal names, common names, and addresses. The legal name will be used in the final agreement. Then the researchers will fill in the information about the provider scientist, as well as additional provider scientists who also need to track this agreement. As the researcher answers the questions, the system will generate additional questions based on those answers. They can upload documents where applicable. They can also leave remarks on the portal for the MTA managers. Once the researchers have finished the survey, they can click the Submit button. An email notification will go out to the designated MTA reviewers and admins, asking them to review the answers on the portal. When MTA reviewers log in, they will see all the MTAs to and from their institution. They can view and edit any uncompleted MTAs, and they can delete any MTAs that they have submitted themselves. When they open an MTA, they will see the agreement information on the top. They will also see warning messages triggered by answers to certain questions. They can edit answers and clear warnings by checking the boxes. The MTA request cannot be approved until all the warnings are manually checked. If everything looks good, the MTA reviewer can generate the MTA document and recommend it for approval. By default, the system will load the most comprehensive MTA template, which is the Autumn-derived UB-MTA Master Agreement. However, the user can choose a more basic template from the drop-down list. The survey questions will be used to populate the MTA template. Any additional contract restrictions will go to the exhibit. Once the MTA is approved, an email with the MTA as an attachment will be sent out first to the signatory at this organization for signature, then to people at the other party. MTAshare is also integrated with DocuSign for electronic signatures. Organizations can set up their own DocuSign account on MTAshare and enjoy a higher degree of automation. There are other user roles in MTAshare portal with higher security permissions. MTA administrators will be able to assign an MTA request to different reviewers, while system administrators at each institution can manage users, change profiles, modify workflows and email notifications, as well as add custom questions. If both parties are MTAshare subscribers, the MTA request will show on both the provider scientist account and the recipient scientist account, which eliminates the need for double data entry and significantly reduces the workload and errors. This is MTAshare in a nutshell. We're actively adding new features. For more information, please contact the NTM team.